What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a strange video because I'm not doing anything about cars, but about my PC. You can see the title. I'm building my PC. I'm starting a new chapter in my life, so I want to start something new. And no, it's not streaming. Most of you guys are going to be guessing it's streaming. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do. Hopefully you can find me in the internet, make videos. I'm not going to say what's going to be my name. I'm just going to change my name completely. I'm not uploading on this channel, I'm uploading on a different one. So yeah, hopefully you can guys find me if anything. I don't want to try to shadow out because it's not, I want to start from zero and start again like I did with this channel. So my friend Josh is here to help me build it because I don't know shit about PCs. He told me what to order, I've ordered them. We're gonna set it up right now. And let me open Josh first. It's recording, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh shit. Come close, Josh. Check this shit out. I break it. Fuck. Ooh. The motherboard. Alright. Oh shit. Oh my god.
You don't even worry about that crap.
Just this?
Just keep that crap there.
These are just like instructions. I don't need those shit.
It's garbage. You don't need that shit.
Okay. What's next? What's next, Josh? Let me know. What should we open
next? Grab the CPU.
Alright.
And then that RAM right there.
Okay. I'll put it in this one. It's not going back. It's not going back to return this box. Alright. What is this? Okay, that's okay. The same, you don't need this again, right?
No.
Garbage. Oh shit, is that this?
Nah, just leave that in the box for now.
Alright. This. No, when I bought this, I thought it was a big ass box. Like,
did it come in a big ass box?
No, it came like this.
Oh.
Well, I thought it was like literally like this thing was gonna be like this size. Like,
oh yeah.
Literally like that. So I was gonna look nice on the side, you know.
Oh yeah.
See?
Fucking huge, dude.
Yeah, that's what.
I mean, the graphics.
Because in the picture it looks like that.
The graphics card look pretty fucking big.
Yeah. Okay, what's next? What you want to open next, though?
No,
Evo?
that's it for now.
That's it. All right. All right.
You can record the whole thing?
Yeah, I'm editing parts of it, so.
It's all good.
Yeah. Jesus fucking Christ, that looks super nice, man. Look at this shit. Holy shit. God damn. That looks nice. Oh, you should have kept the tape.
Burn out?
No, I was gonna take it off later on.
Oh.
When I was ready. Okay, what's that, Josh? The RAM?
Oh, it's the CPU.
Oh, the CPU. Okay, I don't know shit about PCs, bro. All right. Oh, it's connected to. Oh, you connected here?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Don't break it, Josh. There's no warranty on that shit.
I just told you should have gotten it then.
Oh, that's it? It just clicked? No, it did not.
No.
That looks super clean. Look at that 4K video right here. Looks super clean. Like in the box, are you able to see all this or just?
Well,
not really.
Right here, you're not gonna see it.
Oh.
It's gonna be covered with this
okay.
little fan right here. Cause you know this shit right here, this whole thing, this thing gets super fucking hot.
Now you can bake an egg in there?
Yeah. It goes up to like fucking...
Are they not even bent? You know, sometimes like from factory?
Yeah. This is so hard to see. I can't even see. Cause you see that little triangle right there in that corner? Like right there? No, like right there in the corner.
Yeah, this one?
It's like this little triangle right on top.
That's what's supposed to go there?
Yeah.
But what's it? You already did it, right? Didn't you?
I was just making sure, man.
Oh.
So, you know, this is your first baby, you know. This is better than your car, you know that, right?
The viewers are gonna hate you, man. Oh shit, let me see. The fan for the cool.
Yeah.
To cool that shit down. Damn.
So be honest with you, kind of low-key forgot something though.
What?
This is gonna be a bitch, dude. This might take me a while, bro. Just fucking line them up.
Oh fuck! I heard that shit.
Yeah.
It doesn't go. It doesn't matter where it goes. It just or it
No,
does.
you want it to like do the second and last one if you have like just only 2 gram sticks.
Can you add more?
You can have more, but it has to be the same ones.
Oh, same brand.
Alright, get right there.
Shit, looks nice. No, I thought it was like the see that the vengeance thing right here. I thought that was gonna be like big as fuck. It was see like right here.
No.
That's why I was like, oh, but you won't see me. You won't even see the logo.
No, you're good now. Alright, that's it for the motherboard.
All right, let's do this. All right, the big one. The thing is, what happens if the glass is broken? Oh, fucking hate the foam. Oh. Alright. The big one's here. It is upside down, right?
No, it's on the side.
Fuck. See? That looks super clean, bro. Yeah. Fucking Josh, already breaking it. Alright.
Now they cover your hose.
Yeah, this is the covers, right?
It covers all the mess that you made with all the wires that's gonna be in here.
But we can make it like tuck, no? Tuck the covers in?
Tuck them in.
So it can look nice. Oh, those, okay. Like Christmas all over again. Here. Alright. Rafa, I just wish you guys Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Because I'm not going to upload after. I'm going to upload this before New Year, so. Here you go. Okay. How the fuck you open this box? Fucking slow. This way. Holy shit, man. The GameCube? Look at this shit. Alright, where we put this, Josh?
Oh, bad, dude.
You don't need this box no more, right?
No, I don't need this shit.
This? This is a nice looking box, dude. I gotta lie. No wonder they charge you all this money for it. I don't think it's for the product. It's for the box, Josh. What's this, Josh? What's this called? The hard drive?
It's a hard drive for your storage. You can store all your naughty stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Fucking looks gay. This can't even gonna be able to see it. Oh, where this one goes.
You just put it right here.
Or maybe they gave me the wrong one with the price that you told me to get. Because the one with the LEDs were like $30 more. And this cost me $110. With taxes.
Hey, you got something cooler now. You got something with lights and shit.
I think they fucked up. Shit. I guess my lucky day.
I'm gonna make sure everything is here lines up.
Do you have to take the plastic off?
What plastic?
This?
Nah. She's gonna be mad annoying, dude. There you go, that's in there.
not the screws.
Alright, now they're sitting on top of it. Good.
Damn, man, this looks so complicated. Oh, la verga. It takes 4, right? 4 screws?
It's 8.
8? God damn. Or is
No,
it?
it's
No,
9.
it's just 9.
9.
No, just say like what we just did right now with the computer.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, just go to your. If you want to download Windows 10, just go to Microsoft Windows 10.
Yeah, and
Pull
then
it.
so you can, because the computer doesn't have it. The new.
Make sure you have a flash drive that's like at least 4 gigabytes.
And that's it. Just download it, and then that's it. That's all you have to do after we set it up. You just pass the download to the new software. So
Yeah.
basically that. Now we're gonna install the graphics card. Where the fuck is it? All right.
You do the
Yeah, open it, because you opened multiple. I have it. It's my first. Wow. What is this, Josh?
Invitation?
Money? No. How to install it. You don't need that shit. Wow. Holy shit, bro. It's like a mini intercooler. Okay. Look at that shit. It looks hella clean, bro. Can I grab from anywhere? Doesn't matter how I touch. Just don't drop it. Wow. Hello, baby. Newborn. She look clean. Alright, let's have a nice. Alright, what does that go to, Josh?
So right there. But I need to take this shit off real quick though.
Side?
Yeah.
Let me just put it. Oh, you want me to put it down?
I just want to make sure if it's.
Holy shit, man.
Like you need a fucking.
Oh, just like that?
Please, no, fuck no. I'm just letting you know.
Oh, how does it go? Oh, okay.
Just making sure. I need to take this shit off though. Can I get the screwdriver?
It's right there, you saw it? Yeah, right there. Take that off.
To make sure it doesn't fall.
Fuck. I hate this fucking phone, bro. I mean, hella clean, right?
Yeah.
You know what I forgot to do? Take a picture for the thumbnail. I should take a picture of the.
Don't you have one though?
No.
You didn't take? Oh my, whatever. Fuck it.
Oh no, yeah, from the video.
Yeah.
Okay, I can get that. That's the monitor. That looks clean, right?
It does. I didn't even know it was curved. That's awesome.
Yeah, it looks curved, man. Okay, hold on. This. All right. Power on. God damn.
It's a really nice monitor. I'm not gonna lie.
I gotta lie, it was worth $275. I bought it for $150 on sale. Look at that. I play on this, but now I can play on this.
You turn it on.
Oh shit! It does have like. It just catch on fire. How can you change colors?
I have no idea.
Oh, yo. God damn. Red for the mood. When I bring the girls over. I think blue looks nice. But right now for some nice effects, let's make it white. That looks hella clean, bro. You connected it?
Is your monitor on or something? Or no?
Yeah.
It is?
We connected it right? 6:23, bro. All this time just to download this fucking game. This fucking game, bro. Horrible. Not to download it, it's just because I couldn't get my account. Couldn't get my account. I don't want you guys to add me. But the PC's done, like, see? Josh is pissed. Right, Josh, you pissed?
Yeah. Man.
Alright, guys. I finished the PC. It's fucking amazing. Graphics are fucking badass. And, well, the only reason like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm starting something new. I'm not going to stop making YouTube videos for the car. But right now that I don't drive the car during winter because there's a bunch of snow and salt, it's in the garage. I still have some cool parts right here for the Evo, just because I want to start something new, and I'm not going to shout out my channel, and you know, I'm just going to start from 0 and get to how I started my YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully I do well. If it doesn't, then it's fine. I'm not going to complain or anything. At least I try. At least that's the first thing you have to do. At least you tried to do something that you wanted to do, and if it succeeds, okay, that's good. If it doesn't, at least I got a PC and I'm still doing my YouTube videos for my car and stuff. Because from my YouTube, I got my Evo. Like, I pushed myself, I motivated myself to get my Evo from a Lancer to an Evo. Imagine that. And then I blew it up and then wasted more money on the engine and stuff. But I'm still going to do review videos during the summertime when I take it out in April of next year. So I just want to wish you guys Happy New Year's, and just, if you want to do something, just go for it. And just not do it just because it's a new year. Just do it because you want to and because you really want to do it. You're the only one who can stop yourself from doing what you want to do. So it's not about motivation. Like, you're motivated, just do it. Just go for it. It's like let's say you go to work, you do it because you have to do it, right? Not because it's for you, it's for somebody else. So just do it for yourself and do it every day, and you'll make it. So yeah, I just wanted to end the video right here, and stay tuned for other vlogs and stuff for my car. Hopefully I have time. Hopefully it's not too cold to film other videos. If anything, good luck looking for my channel. I'm not going to shout out my new channel. Look out gaming channels. Hopefully you see me. I'm going to be there. I'm not going to shout out what name of my channel is. Just stay tuned. I'm going to do cool videos. Like I said, I'm not a good editor or anything. So we'll see how the videos come out and how everything comes out. Because I'm still getting used to the new PC, because I don't know how to use shit. Like PC, everything, all that is just new to me. So let's see how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos. And look for my channel and you find me. If you don't, then it's fine. I'll pop out in your feed. If anything, if you watch video games, anything you watch relating to PC, like video games, I should pop out right there. You probably will recognize my voice. And hopefully you find me. If you don't, it's fine. It's not a big deal. I'm not going to shout out my channel. I'm going to start from 0 to get to 1,000 and see how it is. It's something new for me, so let's just get to the point. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross